Hello, friends, and welcome to yet another episode of Web Episode. In this web episode, I have bring you a guest that who need no introduction, Sir Max Babri. Sir, first of all, welcome to Web Episode.
Thank you very much, Amir. It's a pleasure to be on your show.
Sir Max does not need any introduction, but as a formality, I will give some introduction. Sir Max Babri is pioneer in the team of Pakistan Professional Development Building. He is the person who started interpersonal skills in LUMS. His professionality and his consultancy firms go from Pakistan cricket team to corporate level. He's a consultant, he's a counselor, he's a coach, he is master of hypnotherapy, team building and life skills coaching and consulting. He has worked with Pakistan cricket team 2019 that won the T20 World Cup. He was part of the Pakistan cricket team as a sports psychologist in 2012-2013 tour of India that the team came back victorious. He worked with golfers in Pakistan and many of them went on win national golf tournaments. He was selected in national Pakistan national golf team because of these contributions that Max have given to them. His work specialization is on reflection. He loves to work on mindfulness and from senseless to meaningfulness. So, sir, welcome again.
Thank you very much, Amir. Thank you.
It's an honor that you are with us. So, before moving further, we would like that if you can share your life journey with us.
Okay, before I start doing that, I think I want to make one correction that I was a part of the golf team as a golf manager, not as a player. And so I was part of this team to motivate the golfers and to manage them rather than play golf myself. So I don't want to be an incorrect information on the
Okay,
net. So,
okay.
but yes, as far as the cricket team is concerned, I was also a part of the coaching staff, not as a player. But we'll talk about this. I come from a humble background. I was born in Lahore many years ago, 1951. So I'm an old man, really old man, soon to be 70 years old next year. And my father was a humble industrial worker, and I grew up in Wakent. And life was generally simple and easy, but not complicated. And my parents put everything they had into my and my sister's education. And so I went to Cadet College Petaro, and I had a fight with some people there. And then I went to Government College Lahore, where I studied psychology, and I used to go and do tuitions to support myself for my psychology. And interestingly, then I started playing music, and I was part of a band. And at that time, there was Intercontinental Hotel, and the band. There used to be a band playing at the nightclub at Intercontinental Hotel, and suddenly from rags to riches, I had a room in Intercontinental Hotel, as a band boy, and we used to live there. So very exciting, very interesting life. And I of course went off to Sweden and studied there, and also taught at a university there. Came back to work as a consultant. And when Lumps was being made, you have this question, I know. When Lumps was being made, I had just come back from Sweden, and all these very remarkable people, Babar Ali Saab and Razak Daud Saab and Altaf Salim Saab, who were the pioneer and the started this institution, they said we'll get students, and they would not have any capacity to pay. We'll take purely on merit. And I
Okay.
immediately understood that merit is mostly in rural areas. The marks that we get is in rural areas, and they may not be able to speak English the way we expect them to speak English. And some would be from rich families, some would be from poor families. So they would be 22-year-old kids. And they get into serious trouble if they get into this habit of wanting to impress each other, as most 20, 22-year-old young kids do. And some of them would be studying with women for the first time in their life. So I told them that we must do a course, a module of interpersonal skills, which means working together, learning to respect each other's talent, and looking beyond their money and their resources and how they can speak English and etc., and create a collaborative environment in which they can compete and do their best. So that course became a very popular course. It was given to everybody who joined LUMS. And I did that for almost 25 years at LUMS, to all the MBAs who joined. But also, during the first week, orientation week, I also taught psychology for 2 years at LUMS to the undergraduates. I think 96, 95, 96. I also taught psychology. So this is a small journey. I come from a humble background. God has been very kind. I feel happy, and I like to believe that I am contented and I'm successful, and I'm grateful for the life that I've been dealt.
I wouldn't say, sir, this is an humble journey. It's a great journey. And anyone that has that, such a journey and such a vibrant energy that you have, who would be so much excited that he has done so much for the community. Because what I believe, sharing is caring, and you have given all your life in the personal development in helping other people. So I would say it's a great life that you had. And I really adore that I can have the same kind of life as you had. Okay,
Inshallah.
sir.
I mean, it's in our control. Our life, at least, is in our control. And I know you have a lot of questions, so I don't want to talk too much. Maybe you can go back to your questions.
Okay. Sir, since in your great life, you have learned many lessons that what are the three major lessons that anyone or from our audience can learn from your journey and implement in their life? Not theoretical, but practical lessons that we can implement in our life right now.
Okay. How many? You said three, four. How
Three,
many
three,
should I
three.
talk
Sir,
about? Huh?
you can give as much
No,
as
no.
but
You, you. I mean,
three
I can
lessons.
go on and talking about it, but you asked
Sure,
for
sure.
three. So
Yes, yes, sir.
let me figure out. I think
Okay.
first of all, please, everybody, young people, old people, whoever you are and wherever you are, please don't underestimate yourself. You are one of the finest expression of the greatest creator. And if you don't believe in spirituality, then also think of it from a Darwinian point of view. And Darwin also said that mankind is the final product of millions of years of product development and survival of the fittest. Now, if that is happening,
Okay.
then please believe in yourself. You are somebody very great. So never let anybody or your financial condition or your business condition or your being older or a younger brother or your currently going through any disease, don't let anything dampen your spirits. You are remarkable and you deserve to be successful and happy and be grateful for the life that you have. So this is one lesson. Second lesson important is never ever treat a fellow human being different from how you want to be treated by others. Whether you are rich or poor, irrespective of who you are, never treat any other person as less than yourself. Doesn't matter what is your position or what is your title or what is your age. Please treat fellow human being like you want to be treated. And that means with love and respect and understanding and compassion. Third thing I want to tell everybody, and this is an important message, please remember that in this world we are here to give. The moment we think what is in this for me and what am I getting in return, we will get into trouble, because my getting something from you or from other friends or anybody is not in my control. Their giving to me is in their control. So if I want to control what others will give me, I would be very disappointed. I would be very sad. I will be very depressed. But I can give, and we are here to give. And what do we give? Not everybody has money. We didn't bring money with us, and we'll not kind of take any money with us. So what can we give really? Which it has to be ours. So I can give appreciation. I can give admiration. I can offer a shoulder for people to cry. I can be there for somebody. I can take out time. I can listen to a person. I can appreciate and admire a person. I can kind of help that person feel great about himself or herself. So that is what the role of life is. That's what the purpose of life is. People who do not have a meaning and purpose in life are very unhappy, and they're depressed and they want to go do terrible things to themselves. So it's important to create a purpose in life. Now, this purpose in life is not where you are in the center. This purpose of life is to serve humanity. And if you do that, look around, do whatever you can do, you'll always be happy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for those great lessons. If I can summarize, be grateful, never treat people differently, have a purpose. We are here to give, not take, and we have to take
Absolutely.
the men. We have to take the mentality of giving, not taking the mentality. And
Okay,
I,
just one correction. In life, we don't have to do anything. Everything
okay,
has a choice. So we want to
okay,
do it. So please, you don't have to give. I would urge you that you have a desire to give, that you want to give. Because have to give means majburi hai na?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Majburi nahi hai.
So
No compulsion.
another great lesson from sir that we have a choice to do whatever we want, and we should choose.
Absolutely.
I will choose to give. I would choose to be king rather to be beggar.
And you will feel great about yourself. When you choose to give, when you feel you have to give, then you not feel great about yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, if you can go back in time, if you have some time machine and change anything in your life, what would it be?
I think I would like to be more compassionate towards my parents and family. Maybe I took them for granted that they will live forever. So many of the things that I have wanted to do in life, I said I will do it when I'm better off. And then the time goes away. So I will urge everybody else, if you want to do anything good, if you want to say to somebody I love you, if you want to say to somebody I admire you, if you want to say to somebody that dad you're a remarkable human being, or mom you're a remarkable human being, do it today. Even if, please, don't take your spouses for granted. If you're married and you have spouses, don't take them for granted. If you think that your spouse is a great human being, go and say to him or her today, because that is what greatness is. Telling behind somebody's back that my spouse or my child or my father or my mother or my brother, a great human being, is useless. It is to go and tell them. So I would want to go back and all the appreciation that I could have given to a lot of people, and I said I will do it when I'm a little better off and little better off and little better off. I'll take them for hajj, or I'll take them for a drive. Need to own a car, I need to own a plane. So I think that was stupid of me. I should have done whatever I could do at that time. And if I get another life, I will continuously appreciate and admire and be a source of happiness for people who are important for me in my life.
We appreciate for your parents, we appreciate your spouse, and the lesson that I learned from here,
And
I'm
children,
gonna say, and children.
because their self-esteem is dependent on how much appreciation they'll get from you.
Okay, our children's self-esteem is dependent on how much we appreciate them.
Absolutely. And
Okay,
if we
okay,
dart
sir.
them, if we scold them, if we criticize them, if we, all the time savari kare unke upar, their self-esteem will be very low.
Okay,
Because
I
they
will
think my
take.
father does not think that I'm a great son or a great daughter or a great child.
Now, sir, the criteria of parents changes from day to day. Like for me, I did mechanical engineering when I was studying in graduation, but now I'm not doing anything for in engineering fields or anything like that. I'm doing in the field of project management. Now, our
Great.
parents have expectations that we should be according to them. I believe that I will not have the same expectations for my children. But there is always some kind of grudge that if I wanted to do something, my parents never let me do that. How to let go that grudges if we still have parents and we still have those grudges in our hearts?
माफ कर दो. They want, if you have your parents, you're a very fortunate person. One, okay? Because I'm saying that I would have loved to say to my dad how much I love you and how much I appreciate you and I admire you. But if you have your parents, do that right now. Okay, so
Okay.
that's one thing. Second, yes, parents would always want their children to be successful, but they can only find a way of doing it what their parents did to them. So we have to forgive them for not knowing everything, because you are more educated than your parents, and your parents were more educated than their own parents. So we are developing. So it is good idea to forgive them and understand that if they criticized you, it was because they were frustrated. So we will never criticize our kids. Yes, we can criticize what they are doing. If let's say I have a son and who's 5 year old and his name is Amjad, I would say, Amjad, I love you. You are the greatest human being. But I don't understand why such a great human being like yourself is not studying at the moment. So
Okay.
person remains the great, the behavior can be criticized.
Behavior can be criticized, but the person shouldn't be criticized.
No,
Okay.
because
Okay.
person
Got
को
the
तो अल्लाह ने बनाया ना भाई.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर
तो अगर पर्सन
बिल्कुल
को
सर
क्रिटिसाइज करे तो अल्लाह ताला को क्रिटिसाइज करे.
Okay, sir, we received the question from audience that Sir Max is famous for saying I am wonderful. So can they explain what is meant by that I am wonderful? Because some circumstances we don't feel wonderful and we feel rejected. How we can be wonderful all the time?
बात ये है भाई कि this was a very interesting story. This
Okay,
story, this when I was doing my clinical hypnotherapy in United States, state of
okay,
California, from where I
okay,
have this, where I actually physically attended classes and did the exams and did my training, which was some very remarkable people. So there was this person, great old man. His name was Gil Boyne. He's a grandfather of hypnotherapy in the world. He died now. So we were doing a program with him, and I used to ask him, "Hello, Gil, how are you today?" And Gil used to say, "I'm wonderful." इस तरह ही करता था वो. We asked him again, "Gil, how are you today?" He said, "I'm wonderful." So one day I asked him in the class, "Gil, you keep saying this, you're wonderful. Are you arrogant that you say, man, badi shayam?" He said, "No, I am very blessed. I have a bedroom, which has a garden outside. So when I wake up in the morning, I draw the curtains away and I look out of the window and I see the sky and I see the clouds, and there are new colors every morning. Every morning there are new colors. Every morning I see new flowers. Every morning I hear the birds chirping in the garden. Every morning these remarkable new plants are coming up. So as I look at them, I become full of wonder. And full of wonder means the Creator has created such remarkable things. कि मैं हैरान हूं. I'm wonder. So if I can slowly and steadily, if I look so much of wonderful things around me, I become full of this wonder. And when I become full of this wonder, I what if somebody asks me how are you? What else should I say apart from saying I am wonderful? I am full of wonder. So when I say I am full of wonder, I am actually appreciating the Creator, because
so
Creator
we
has
are,
created me. That's
so
the
we are,
concept.
okay.
Okay. So one more thing about this: when
Yes.
we forget that I am wonderful, then we do stupid things. So if we remember that I am wonderful, we do wonderful things.
So when I am saying that I am wonderful, basically I am saying that the Allah, the God that has created me, He is wonderful. He has created everything so beautifully. I am just appreciating those things, and I am the pinnacle of that creation. So I have to
Absolutely.
be wonder. I have to be
They
wonderful.
have to be
So
the I am wonderful, bus.
I am wonderful.
Nothing, they never ever have to be.
Okay,
No,
I
no
am
need to be, no have to be.
okay.
Okay?
I
And
am
then
wonderful.
when you remember that I am wonderful, then you will do wonderful things. If
Then
you
you will do.
forget that you are wonderful, then you might cheat, you might backbite, you might steal, you might do things which are not wonderful. So when I say remind yourself that I'm wonderful, I'm not suggesting that you shout about it, लेकिन अपने आप को याद दिलाते रहो कि मैं कोई अच्छा इंसान हूँ, मैं जबरदस्त
Okay.
इंसान हूँ.
मैं एक जबरदस्त इंसान हूँ. I'm a great person. Okay. We receive another question. It is being said, work hard, be passionate, focus on your strength, practice a lot, stick to it, and be grateful. We have been taking this advice for a long time, but we are saying that all these advice are not working in these challenging times. So what to do in these challenging times to stay on track?
Okay, there is nothing that will come from outside. I am responsible for my happiness. Okay, nobody else can be responsible for my happiness. So I choose to be happy. I know that I'm alive today, but I'm grateful that I'm alive today. I may not be alive tomorrow. It is Corona times. ठीक है वो
Sure.
Charlie Brown and Snoopy, there's a dialogue going on between Charlie Brown and Snoopy. The Charlie Brown says to Snoopy that Snoopy, you know that one day we're all going to die.
Right.
So Snoopy listens to this and is quiet for a little while. He's looking at the stars and he's enjoying. And then he says, after 3 minutes, he says to Charlie Brown, Charlie Brown, yes, one day we will going to die. All of us are going to die. But every other day we are alive. And while we are alive, we should live our life to the fullest because we are alive. And it is wrong that while we are alive, we should think of our death. And that because that is ungratefulness. Yes, you should prepare that you're satisfied and you're happy and you're healthy and you're doing things that create a great end for yourself, but never ever be ungrateful. That when you have a gift, you think about that what will happen if I don't have this gift. That's wrong. It's like a newborn child that you have, a son or a daughter. that you carry in her on your shoulders, that's a gift that has been given to you. It is wrong to think about it. So खुदा ना खास्ता ये बीमार हो गया, if this child gets sick or unwell, what will happen? No, you have a gift and enjoy it right now. When the child becomes unwell, we'll request God and we will pray and we will do whatever we can do to heal that child. And if we can't heal it, so be it. Similarly, if we can't heal it, and if now I'm not alive tomorrow, so be it. But today I'm alive. Why should I worry about what will happen tomorrow? So it's in my control. Okay, we must believe in ourselves. We must have faith in who we are.
We must have faith. So now there are two school of thoughts. One school of thought says that live each day as it is your last day and give 100% to your that day. And the other school of thought say that don't think about death at all. So which school of thought would you recommend? Live each day as your last day or don't think about death at all?
I think it's the same. It is actually the same meaning. Live to the fullest today. And don't worry about the death. That's मेरे control में नहीं है, मेरे बस में नहीं, मेरी in basket में नहीं है. You have something in your in basket, and you do deal in the best possible way in your in basket, and you prepare. For example, it is coronavirus. If I'm going out to meet some people, I must wear a mask. I must protect myself. I must have social distance. I must build my immune system. I must wash my hands. I must try and avoid large groups of people. I must not only to protect myself, but also maybe I am asymptomatic, and I may be unwell. So I have to protect my friends, my family. I haven't had any tests done, so who knows? So live a responsible life, a giving, caring, sharing, responsible life. Don't only focus on yourself. कि जी मैं बच जाऊँ बाकी खैर है. So that's not a healthy life. Like I said, we are here to give.
We are here to give. Sir, a question from your past. You were the coach or the psychologist of a team, Pakistani cricket team of 2019 that won T20
2009,
World Cup.
2009.
2009 that won T20 World Cup. So how did you change their mindset? What were the steps you told them that as a result of that they won that World Cup? And from all Pakistan, I will say thank you for that. Whatever you did.
Amir, बात ये है कि I also contributed, but it is a great team, and at that time it was a great team. They gelled together. They had practiced very hard, and they were wonderful players. It is not because I twisted some chabi and they won. Yes, I also contributed. I worked with their mind game, and mind game is one of the most important games in any game. So I help these people begin to believe in themselves. Like I said, I am wonderful, for example. I urge these people to believe in themselves. I help these people recognize that they are our heroes, and they have to be. We want to treat them as heroes. I help them recognize that they are the best in the world. I hypnotize the whole team together, and one by one, I help them get rid of their fears. I help them get rid of their angers. I help them get rid of their doubts. I help them recognize that they would do great. And they did great. So we had a slogan also. And the slogan was, I am the best. I can do it. I will do it. People most often forget the will part. The willingness to do is also very important. So previously they had the focus on we will win and we will do this, but the will part wasn't there. So as luck would have it, and as Allah Ta'ala had supported us, the Pakistan cricket team won. I don't take all the credit, but I did contribute, and I gelled with the team, and team was very confident.
The team was very confident, but from psychologist point of view, I will give you most of the credit because the same team played the next World Cup and we were unable to do the same.
Well, not fair. There were other reasons also. There were other reasons. I understand that yes, the team needs a hypnotherapist and a psychologist, and it would always benefit them. But organization and PCB has to be ready for it, and it doesn't work if people don't understand. इलाज कराने के लिए भी मर्ज अपने आप को भी ठीक करने की ख्वाहिश होनी चाहिए और समझ होनी चाहिए कि क्या करना है. So I hope that the Pakistan team and the decision maker will understand this one day.
So we can use the slogan I am, I can and I will.
हाँ, मतलब मैं हूँ, मैं दुनिया का बेहतरीन खिलाड़ी हूँ और मैं करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do it. I will, and then I have will. मैं करूंगा. देखिए, आप मुझसे पूछते हैं मैक्स बाबरी कल आप मेरे घर खाने पे आएंगे, तो मैं आपसे कहता हूँ हाँ आ जाएंगे यार, किसी दिन आएंगे तुम्हारे घर, खाने पे आएंगे। मैं नहीं, आई एम नॉट कमिंग अनलेस यू, आई से टू यू, आमिर किस दिन की बात कर रहे हो यार, वेडनेसडे को तो मैं बिजी होता हूँ, जो मैं
Okay.
रात को अगर तुम चाहते हो 7:30 बजे मैं आऊं तो मैं आ सकता हूँ, देन आई विल कम। ठीक
Okay.
है, सो इट इज इन आवर लैंग्वेज। so we have to commit, we desire, have to, तो नहीं यूज करना चाहता, we want to commit that I will do it, I can do it, कोई मसला नहीं है। मुझसे पूछो यार चांद पे जा सकते हैं, I can do it, but will you do it is another story.
Will you do? Sir, if we add "I must do it" to that slogan, how?
Must is so much of a pressure.
Mhm.
Must, have to, need to is so much pressure. ख्वाहिश, देखो हमने शुरू में बात की है, ख्वाहिश की बात हो रही है ना, डिजायर
जी
की
sir.
बात हो रही
Yes sir. Yes sir.
है। मस्ट आ ही नहीं सकता डिजायर में, मस्ट तो
So there.
मजबूरी है।
Okay.
आई मस्ट ब्रीथ, आई मस्ट डू दिस, आई मस्ट अर्न
Must
सो मच मनी, तभी तो प्रॉब्लम
must
होती है।
must will become a constraint in our life, and it can basically hinder us from our progress. Okay. So
हाँ,
we got another question. Whenever we are doing something, we always feel like why others are doing this more quickly than I am. Do you think it is a positive thing or it's a negative thing?
I have no idea. I think we should not compare with anyone. We should only do our best, and we should continuously improve ourselves to do even better. We should not compare with other people. Everybody has their own destiny. Everybody has their own playing field. Everybody has their own complications and advantages and skills. So it is not fair to compare. We can learn from them, certainly. We can learn from them. We should ask them their suggestion and advice, and we should work on it and become better. There are no shortcuts to life.
There are no shortcuts to life. Okay, sir. Sir, basically, what is happiness? Is happiness a choice?
Yes,
Happiness is a
because
choice.
you can, in a given situation, you can choose to be miserable and you can choose
Mhm.
to be happy.
You can
It's
choose to
your
be miserable.
choice. If
Okay.
you choose to be miserable, which means I have 1,000 gifts that God has given me or the nature has given me, 1,000. Okay?
Okay.
So if I am miserable, then I am not grateful for all the gifts that I have received. But if I
Okay.
am happy, I
Okay.
am grateful for
Got your
everything
point, sir.
that I have received,
Sir,
and I
what
also
are the
desire
habits that develop in this challenging time to be happy?
भाई आप देखो, बात ये है कि और हमारे पास चॉइस नहीं है भाई।
Hmm.
अगर हम हैप्पी नहीं है तो हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम सप्रेस हो रहा है,
Sure.
and if our immune system is getting suppressed, we are becoming more susceptible to negative
Mhm.
outcomes of corona rather than positive outcomes of corona. So the best healing methodology is to be grateful and to be happy and to believe and have faith and strengthen your immune system and say, I will come out of this victorious.
Okay. Sir, we received a comment or a question, something like that. To be happy, it is said that always be present in the moment, don't think about past, and don't worry about future. What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's a good idea to live in here and now. It's a great idea. But past, you can't forget. Past is a university. We have learned from past. We have made mistakes. We cannot completely ignore them because from those mistakes we have learned. And I become more knowledgeable. But don't bash yourself for mistakes that you made in the past and believe that you are that person who will make these mistakes. No, I have learned from my mistakes. I don't want to make those mistakes again. When I was driving car and sometimes my car got into an accident because I wasn't looking from the right side, and now I realize after that accident that I must also look at the right side if somebody is coming. So every accident and every mistake that we made in the past, if we learn from them, it becomes our asset. If we don't learn from them, it becomes a liability. So we must learn from our mistakes. Second, we must forgive other people and ourselves for the mistakes that we have made in the past. And if other people have treated us badly, we must understand it is not that I deserve to be treated badly. It is possible because they were in a bad mood or in a bad place, or were, whether they are parents or whoever they are. So future is also important. Future is important in the sense that we plan today, but we live the life today and not worry about tomorrow, but we plan today for a better future tomorrow. So all these things are important, but we can only live in here and now, because if we get too bogged down by the past or too much anxiety about the future, then we can't do our great job today.
Learn from past, be present in the moment, and forgive others to have a happy life. Sir,
Uh,
Mir and Marulak is saying that we cannot remain positive all the time. what to do in low times of life. Now, like especially in
देखो
COVID
मसला
time.
मसला मसला ये है कि आपने ना वी डाल दिया वहां। अनवारुल हक
Okay,
साहब, तुसी ना जरा दोबारा सवाल कहो कि आई कांट रिमेन हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम, फिर देखें आपको बात समझ में आती है कि नहीं आती। ठीक है, जब आप
okay,
कहते हैं ना आई कांट रिमेन हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम, तो जिम्मेदारी लेनी पड़ती है ना। जो कहते हैं वी कांट रिमेन हैप्पी, मैं तो रह सकता हूँ बाकी नहीं रह रहे। ठीक है,
okay,
सो वी कैन चूज टू बी हैप्पी। ठीक है, देयर विल बी टफ टाइम्स बट देन एक्सेप्ट देम। वी हैव नो चॉइस। भाई तूफान आ गया है, जल्जला आ गया है, घर गिर गया है, फसल अच्छी नहीं हुई, चीजें महंगी हो गई, गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, लर्न फ्रॉम इट। व्हाट कैन वी डू
La-
डिफरेंटली? जो हो चुका है वो हमारे बस में नहीं है, वो जो होगा वो भी
okay,
हमारे बस में नहीं है। हम तैयार हो सकते हैं उसके लिए।
okay.
ठीक है,
So
बट
we
आई
have
मीन आई
another
आई
question.
एम्पैथाइज। मैं ये अनवारुल हक से खास तौर पे इल्तिजा माफी करके कि देखें, बात ये है कि बैड टाइम्स गुड टाइम्स आते हैं, लेकिन अगर टेम्परेरीली हैं, थोड़ी सा फोकस करने का है तो कोई मसला नहीं। लेकिन प्लीज कोशिश करें कि जो आपको सलाहियतें दी, जिंदगी है मिसाल के तौर पे, सलाहियतें हैं, खाना मिल रहा है, जिसको मिल रहा है वो शुक्रगुजारी तो करे ना उसकी, कि थैंक यू गॉड दैट आई हैव इट एंड देयर आर मेनी अदर्स हु डोंट हैव इट टुडे। सो बी
Okay.
ग्रेटफुल।
So be
जो
grateful for
ग्रेटफुल
what
होगा
you have.
वो डिप्रेशन में नहीं जाएगा, जो कंप्लेन करेगा वो डिप्रेशन में चल जाएगा।
Okay. Iftikhar Ahmed Saab is asking how to get rid of negative thoughts and avoid negative thinking process. Can we have some process for that, or is it the same thing that we have to develop our mental to do something for this?
देखिए, बात यह है कि नेगेटिव थॉट्स बजाते खुद खुद कोई बुरी चीज नहीं है, लेकिन उन थॉट्स में घुस जाना और घबरा जाना और सिर्फ उन्हीं का सोचना बुरी बात है। नाशुक्रगुजारी है, नाशुक्रगुजारी से ताल्लुक है इसका। और ये
Okay.
अगर हम नाशुक्रगुजार होंगे तो हम डिप्रेशन में चले जाएंगे, क्योंकि हम सोच रहे हैं मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, हम ये नहीं सोच रहे कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ दूसरों के साथ। मैं इम्तिहान में नंबर कम आ गए तो मैं कहूँगा जी मेरा टीचर वाकिफ नहीं था, कुछ और नौकरी नहीं मिली तो मैं कहूँगा जी मेरी सिफारिश नहीं थी, मेरी प्रमोशन नहीं हुई तो मैं कहूँगा जी वो बंदा मेरे खिलाफ था। ठीक है, तो वो
Okay.
हम जब तक एक्सक्यूजेस तलाश करते रहेंगे अपने बाहर, तो हम खुश नहीं हो सकते। अगर मैं ये सोच शुरू करूंगा यार मैं मुझे भी प्रमोशन होनी चाहिए, मेरी क्यों नहीं, आई सी ओके व्हाट डू आई डू, मैक्स बाबरी, मकबूल बाबरी, तुम आज क्या करोगे कि कल तुम्हारी प्रमोशन हो? तुम्हें अपने अंदर क्या तब्दीली लाने की जरूरत है? तुम्हें कैसे सलूक करना चाहिए? तुम्हारे कैसा काम तुम करोगे कि तुम्हारे काम पे कंपनी इतनी डिपेंडेंट हो जाए कि तुम्हारे बगैर उसका गुजारा ना हो? ये सोचो ना, बजाय ये सोचने के यार वो साहब मुझे पसंद नहीं करता तो उसने मुझे ना मेरी प्रमोशन नहीं की।
Okay. But what we can do, because happiness is an inner game we have to develop. How to be
आई एम
happy?
रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर माई हैप्पीनेस, फुल स्टॉप।
I'm end of story. I'm responsible for my happiness, and
एब्सोल्युटली।
I have to use that
I have to नहीं,
affirmation.
I choose to be
I
happy.
I choose to be happy. I am happy. I can be happy. I will be happy.
Beautiful. ठीक है, I'll choose to
So
be happy. I'm happy and I'll make others happy.
that'll make other happy. How
ठीक
to
है,
be happy spiritually? I will add another question with this question. What are your thoughts on meditation?
yeah. Point one is that I am not a very spiritual person in the sense of traditional institutional religion. I am
Okay.
spiritual in the sense of हकूकुल इबाद।
Okay.
तो मैं समझता हूँ कि हकूकुल इबाद की हिफाजत किए बगैर मैं स्पिरिचुअल नहीं हो सकता। मैं चाहे जितनी
Okay.
मर्जी जाके मेहराबे बना लूं अपने मत्थे के ऊपर, अगर मैं दिल मेरा साफ नहीं है और मैं लोगों की इज्जत नहीं करता, लोगों का एहतराम नहीं करता, लोगों के हकूक की हिफाजत नहीं करता और अपने आप को एक फेलो ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं समझता, तो मेरी जो रिचुअलिस्टिक स्पिरिचुअलिटी है उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है। ठीक है, आप
Okay.
हम सब लोग पाकिस्तानी लोग, हम सब लोग अगर हम गाड़ियां रख के और रंग बिरंगी टोपियां पहन के भागे जा रहे हैं मस्जिद की तरफ अपनी मोटरसाइकिलों पे नमाज अदा करने के लिए कि हमारी जमात ना मिस हो जाए, और हम किसी ट्रैफिक लाइट की परवाह नहीं कर रहे, तो हमने हकूकुल इबाद की परवाह नहीं की। अगर रेड लाइट मैंने क्रॉस कर ली तो मेरे रब ने कहा हकूकुल इबाद का ख्याल रखना, तो उस वक्त किसी और का हक था वहां से गुजरना जिसकी लाइट ग्रीन थी। अगर मैं उसमें से गुजर गया तो मैंने लोगों का हक सलब कर लिया, और मैंने अगर लोगों का हक ही सलब कर लिया है तो मैं कैसे स्पिरिचुअल हो सकता हूँ?
Okay. Okay. So what about meditation? Is it helpful for to being alive in the moment? And is
आई थिंक
there
सो,
easy?
आई थिंक सो।
And do you recommend any practice for that?
मैं देखो ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मसला है, मैं इसमें इतना ज्यादा डीप नहीं जाना चाहता, लेकिन रिफ्लेक्शन आपने मेरे मेरे बारे में जब बातचीत की है तो आपने एक बात ये की है कि रिफ्लेक्शन करता है मैक्स बाबरी, ठीक है। तो रिफ्लेक्शन अगर मैं करता हूँ तो रिफ्लेक्शन का मतलब ये है कि सोचता हूँ ना मैं कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैंने मेरा मकसद जिंदगी का क्या है, और अगर मैं आंखें बंद करके गहरे सांस लेके ये सोचना शुरू कर दूँ उसको मेडिटेशन कहते हैं। अपने अंदर बढ़ जा, ठीक है, मतलब बाहर जिंदगी के मैं मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, उससे कभी कभी अपने आप से भी पूछ लेना चाहिए कि मैं हूँ कौन। और जब आप अपने आप से सवाल करते हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ तो उसको मेडिटेशन कहते हैं।
Okay. Okay. Ask to your inner self, sit in a place
Go to a
and
quiet place,
okay.
sit down, wear loose clothes, take a couple of deep breaths and ask yourself कि जिंदगी का क्या मकसद है, मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ, मेरी मेरी कामयाबी की क्या चीजें होंगी। खुशी की आपने पूछी थी बात, मैं खुशी की बात भी आपसे थोड़ी सी कर लूँ कि खुशी क्या चीज है। मैं समझता हूँ खुशी का मतलब ये है कि जिंदगी में जो कुछ भी आप करना चाहते हैं, जो कुछ भी आप करना चाहते हैं वो आप कर रहे हो, उसी से आपका रोजगार मुंसलिक हो, और जो आप कर रहे हैं उसमें किसी को दुख ना पहुंच रहा हो, किसी को अजियत ना पहुंच रही हो, किसी का हकूक ना सल्ब हो रहे हो, और तमाम लोग खुश हों, तो वो खुशी है।
Okay.
ठीक है। और कामयाबी ये है कि आपकी लाइफ के जो 5-6 लोग आपके लिए सबसे ज्यादा अहम है वो आपकी इज्जत करते हो और आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हो, ना कि वो आपसे खौफजदा हो और डरते हो, चाहे वो पेरेंट्स हैं, चाहे वो बच्चे हैं, चाहे वो बीवी है।
So people
ठीक है,
should
क्योंकि अगर वो
respect
डरते
you.
हैं आपसे, तो यू विल नेवर गेट टू हियर व्हाट यू नीड टू हियर, यू विल ओनली हियर व्हाट यू वांट टू हियर।
Okay. If people are respecting you just because of fear, then you are not doing,
नो,
you are not
इफ
happy.
पीपल नो, इफ रिस्पेक्ट होगी नहीं ना, मतलब अगर वो
Mhm.
फियरफुल है तो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे।
Okay.
जो आपसे डर रहा है, खौफजदा है, वो आपकी इज्जत नहीं कर रहा, वो दिल में गालियां
Okay.
बक रहा है,
Mhm.
पीठ पीछे भी गालियां बक रहा है। कहना
Okay.
मान गया आपका, क्योंकि उसको अपनी नौकरी
Mhm.
का फिक्र है, आपकी इज्जत की
Mhm.
वजह से नहीं माना वो कहना,
Okay.
आपकी सजा की वजह से
Okay.
माना है। ठीक है। और इज्जत का
Okay.
मतलब ये है कि वो आपके साथ गुफ्तगू कर सके बराबरी के लेवल के ऊपर, वो आपको कह सके मकबूल बाबरी, आप बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग पे जा रहे हैं, आपके मुंह से बदबू आ रही है, आप माउथ वॉश इस्तेमाल कर लें। अगर वो ये सोचा
Okay.
नो नो मैनू की जी जावे आपे बदनामी करावे जाके आंधी रहे संगो बोल होगी, भैड़ा समझने है ही भैड़ा।
Hmm. Got your
So we
point,
have
sir.
to
Got
choose.
you. You have to choose from this. Sir, you
हाँ.
have taught LUMS, communication skill and interpersonal skill. Sir, what are the top three skills for future? And can you share how some formula how to develop those skills?
We have 10 more minutes by the way, ठीक है, we
Sure,
will finish
sure,
this.
sure.
There is no formula to teach them in 10 minutes, but
Okay.
what is important is to be, मैंने पहले भी बात कर चुका हूँ, what is important is that we learn to respect each other. That's the most important skill. Second skill is that you believe in yourself. Third skill is that you are confidently able to express your opinion and your ideas. These three skills are the most important skills. You respect people, you believe in yourself, and you share your ideas and thoughts openly and frankly without any fear. Now, that's called confidence. So, and communication and presentation skills automatically इसमें आ गए। अब कॉन्फिडेंस किस में होता है? अगर आप मुझसे पूछें कि मकबूल बाबरी इस वक्त न्यूयॉर्क में बारिश हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही, तो मैं अगर आपसे कहता हूँ यार मुझे नहीं पता, आमिर मुझे नहीं पता हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही, ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अगर मैं अपने आप को समझू नहीं मैंने इसका कोई जवाब देना है, मैं कहूँगा हाँ यार आजकल मौसम है, जून का मौसम है, जून की आज 24 तारीख है, आमतौर पे 24 तारीख जून की होती है तो न्यूयॉर्क में बारिश हो रही होती है। Yani I am
Okay.
trying to pretend to be somebody that I am not. So the moment we need to pretend, we will get into trouble.
Okay.
It is all right to say I don't know. It's all right to say मुझे नहीं आता, मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ। वही कहेगा I don't know जो सीखना चाहता है, और जो ये कहेगा कि मेरा ख्याल है जी इस तरह नहीं इस तरह है, मैंने पता है। सड़कों पे आप जाएं किसी से रास्ता पूछें, हजारों बंदे ऐसे मिल जाएंगे जिनको नहीं पता, लेकिन कहे जी उत्थे सीधा चले जाओ जी, फिर उतना अंदर मुड़ जाना जी, फिर ऐसे आ जाएगा। But just
True that.
because he can't say that I don't know.
True that. Yes, true
These are
that,
the
sir.
three skills. Believe
Okay.
in, treat other people equal, believe in yourself, express your ideas and thoughts confidently, and with courage.
So you have already highlighted the importance of communication skill. Now, specifically, active listening. How a person can develop active listening, because with all these technological advances, with the mobile phone always in our hands, we are not listening. And if we are not listening other, we are not doing any empathy, we are not understanding anything. So what to do to improve our active listening?
Okay, we have to be interested in people.
We have to
If
be
we are, because we are most often we are only interested in ourselves and impressing other people, so we don't listen. And I think parents, for example, must listen to their children. A husband or a father must listen to his wife. A spouse must
okay.
listen to his wife. Especially, we must listen to people who work with us, who report to me, and a leader will listen. But if we are not interested, then we only order people. And when people talk to us, then we are also thinking कि मैंने इसका जवाब क्या देना है, rather than trying to understand कि बंदा क्या कह रहा है.
Okay, so we have to be interested in other people in order to
We must be interested. Okay,
we
we should be.
it's
We
must.
should be नहीं कहना चाहता, have भी नहीं.
Okay,
I urge you to be interested in people.
be interested in people to improve your active listening. So no tools, put your eyes in front of
Nothing.
people.
आप
Just
अगर आप interested हैं तो सुनेंगे बात.
if you are not
Simple सी बात.
interested, then you will not
Then you will
listen.
talk.
Okay,
क्योंकि चुप कर
then you
यार
will
मैं
talk.
दसना की सही है.
Sure, sir.
ठीक है?
Sir,
Because without listening, active listening, we cannot improve ourselves, and we never ever learn anything new.
without active listening, we don't learn. We never learn anything new. Okay, okay. Sir,
सुनोगे तो सीखोगे ना.
sure, sure. सुनेंगे तो ही सीखेंगे.
And
100%.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो लाइफ की सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट किताब है वो इंसान है. इंसानों से सीखता है.
Okay. On the same topic about book, sir, can you recommend 3 books that our audience can read to improve their mind, psychology, and be happy?
यार
Any 3
ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सवाल है, लेकिन मैं इसका जवाब जरूर देना चाहूंगा. एक किताब है जिसका नाम है मैवरिक,
Maverick. Okay.
और ये किताब लिखी है रिकार्डो सेल्मर ने.
Ricardo Selma. Okay, sir.
एक ये एक किताब है जो लिखी जिसका नाम है द सेलेस्टीन प्रोफेसी.
The Celestine
जेम्स
Prophecy.
रेडफील्ड ने लिखी है.
James Redfield. Okay.
हाँ, और एक किताब है जिसका नाम है ड्राइव.
Drive.
हाँ, उसको
Daniel
डैनियल पिंक ने लिखी है किताब.
Daniel Pink.
डैनियल पिंक,
This
ड्राइव.
is from these 3 books. This is the only book that I have read. I need to improve my reading skills also.
ठीक ठीक है.
Sir, last question. What about vision and goal setting? Do they play any role in happiness?
I think without vision, we are on a journey, but without an idea where do we want to go.
Okay.
ठीक है. हेलन केलर, अभी आप फलसफे की बात भी करते हैं, पढ़े लिखे की. आपको पता है हेलन केलर कौन थी?
That blind woman
Absolutely.
who,
Shabash.
yes,
Congratulations. Very few people know this. That was a blind woman. And she said something very, very beautiful. उससे किसी ने पूछा कि how do you feel about not having sight? Is there anything worse than not having sight? तो उसने पता क्या जवाब दिया? उसने कहा having sight but no vision is worse than not having sight.
having sight but no vision is worse than having no sight. Beautiful.
हाँ.
This is beautiful, really.
ठीक है. तो इतना इंपॉर्टेंस है विजन की.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. This will be very important. I
विजन
will
इज ख्यालात में, तसव्वुरात में आप कहीं जा सकें, कोई मंजिल आपको नजर आती हो, कोई आपको जहन यहाँ बैठे हुए नजर आ रहा हो कि यार एक दिन पाकिस्तान एक ऐसी सोसाइटी होगी जिसमें तमाम लोग बराबर होंगे और पूरे मुल्क के वसाइल जो हैं वो खुश उसलूबी के साथ और मुनसिफाना अंदाज में हर शख्स में तकसीम होंगे. हर एक के लिए इलाज होगा, एक जैसा इलाज होगा, हर के लिए तालीम होगी, सरकारी तालीम होगी, हर एक के लिए हम दुनिया के ऐसी अक़वाम में समझे जाएंगे जो कि सिविलाइज्ड हैं. हम एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखेंगे बिला तमीज, रिलीजन के, कलर के, स्किन के, किसी चीज की बगैर तमीज के. हम एक पाकिस्तानी शहरी की इज्जत और एहतराम करेंगे और उसको दिल से लगाएंगे और अपने जैसा समझेंगे, क्योंकि मेरे रब ने पैदा किया उसको भी. उसकी सोच मुझसे मुख्तलिफ हो सकती है. तो ये अगर तसव्वुरात में हम ये नहीं ला सकते तो कभी उस रास्ते पे नहीं चल सकते. और अगर यही
Sir,
सोचना है कि मेरा पुत्र जो है वो एमपीए बन जाए, एमएनए बन जाए और 16 टिकट on हर हफ्ते मुफ्त मिला मुझे तो मैं भी ट्रैवल करा, अगर यही हमारी सोच होगी तो फिर नेचुरली नतीजा भी ऐसे ही निकलेगा।
I really love your vision, the way you explained it, and I really pray. I think all people will pray that we can have that equality, we can have all those things that you said, to have a vision of that thing. So thank
तो
you very much.
तसव्वुरात में लाना शुरू कर दे ना, हर बंदा पहले तसव्वुर में लाना शुरू कर दे, फिर रास्ते भी निकल आएंगे। लेकिन हम तसव्वुर में नहीं ला सकेंगे तो रास्ते नहीं निकलेंगे। ओके
We
आमिर, वी
can,
नीड टू एंड दिस नाउ।
we can go on, but thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. It was really privileged, and I really loved the conversation. So thank you for joining us. And inshallah, I hope in future we can join. We can have you on a topic nearly to parenting or something like that, on which all of us
अब
can
थोड़ा सा
learn
गैप
knowledge.
दे देना ना मुझे, अभी तो
Sure,
अभी
sure, sure,
अभी तो ये किया है ना, तो मुझे लेकिन ये लिंक भेज देना जहां सेव हुआ हुआ है जो जो कुछ भी
sure,
है।
sure, sir.
ठीक,
Okay. Thank you,
चलो,
sir.
ओके,
Have an
टेक केयर।
amazing